وماذا عن صلاة التراويح؟
We go to the mosque. Mosque means masjid. We go to the mosque to pray together the night prayers. صلاة التراويح night prayers. Congregational. Congregational في جماعة.
قد أخبرتها أنه شهر القرآن. We read قرآن.
It's better to say recite قرآن. Recitation التلاوة. نتلو القرآن instead of saying read قرآن.
وماذا عن فضل ليلة القدر في رمضان؟
Quran was first revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. أنزل القرآن على سيدنا محمد عليه الصلاة والسلام during the month of Ramadan. في شهر رمضان. During the month of Ramadan. Ramadan is the month of Quran. In Ramadan, during Ramadan, we have the night of power. Night of power means Laylatul Qadr.
I don't know what to say. How can I ever repay you, my dear teacher? جزاكم الله خيرا يا معلمتي. And now I can easily communicate with all my non-Muslim friends. Hey Amanda, let's have a small talk about Ramadan.